Imagine this. Right now, all 8 billion people on Earth suddenly gather in one place, and at the exact same moment, they all start screaming. One single sound, one massive wave wrapping around the entire planet. But here's the question. Is it just a really loud noise, or could something way more dangerous happen? Would people's ears get damaged? Would cities start shaking? Could the Earth itself actually react? In this video, we're gonna break it down, accurately and scientifically, and find out what would really happen if something like this actually took place. What would happen to us and to this planet? Alright, but first, where are we even gonna fit 8 billion people? If we put everyone side by side, shoulder to shoulder, each person would need at least about 0.25 square meters of space, basically just enough room to stand. Now let's do some quick math. 8 billion multiplied by 0.25 square meters, that's about 2 billion square meters of space. That number might sound huge, but let's simplify it. A standard football soccer field is about 7,000 square meters, so we'd need around 280,000 football fields. To put it even simpler, if everyone on Earth stood shoulder to shoulder, the entire population would fit into an area roughly the size of Tokyo. Now picture that. Hundreds of thousands of football fields all packed together, completely filled with people, not a single empty spot. Now imagine this. All 8 billion people are in one place, and in a single moment, they scream as loud as they possibly can. In the very first seconds, a massive sound wave is created, way louder than the loudest concerts ever. A lot of people would instantly feel intense pain in their ears, and for some, it could even cause permanent hearing damage. The combined sound of 8 billion people screaming would theoretically reach somewhere between 179 and 199 decibels. To give you an idea of how loud that is, 120 decibels is the threshold of pain for the human ear. 140 decibels is like a fighter jet taking off nearby, enough to instantly rupture your eardrum. 160 decibels can cause serious physical shock and tissue damage. 180 decibels is powerful enough to be fatal or even start breaking weaker materials. So what could this level of sound actually destroy? Well, it creates intense pressure in the air, like an invisible wave moving through space. Windows would start vibrating, and in some areas they could crack or even shatter. Now, another question. Could this amount of sound affect the weather or Earth's atmosphere? Surprisingly, no. Even though it sounds extreme, sound energy is still tiny compared to the massive scale of Earth's atmosphere, so it wouldn't have any real impact on weather or the atmosphere. But what happens after the scream? 8 billion people all exhale at maximum force, and then they all need to breathe in again. That means oxygen in that area would suddenly drop fast. The air would feel heavy, and many people would get dizzy or struggle to breathe. After a few seconds or minutes, no one would even understand what's going on anymore. The combination of overwhelming noise, fear, lack of oxygen, and extreme crowd pressure would turn the situation completely critical, leading to massive chaos. Of course, something like this is never actually going to happen. Alright, thanks a lot for watching this far, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're into these crazy and unique scenarios, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because we've got way more mind-blowing ideas coming your way.